come around to say hello. One I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Change the names of the people arrested so far. Anand Ranganathan, Dr. Umar, Dr. Shaheen, Dr. Muzammil, Dr. Irfan, Dr. Parvez, Dr. Adil, Dr. Tajamul and Dr. Sajjad. Can I change these names? Did I bring a community into it? Did I bring a religion into it? I've read out names of arrested. Why is Faizan Kidwai? Why is Faizan Kidwai not willing to speak about Abu Azmi? Why is he dodging that question? Can you please explain?
No, it's not about Faizan Bhai, because in the names that he is rattled out, he is forgotten a very important name, Colonel Purohit. वो तो बाइज्जत बरी हुए हैं, लेकिन 10 साल में जेल में थे।
बताता हूँ कैसे बरी हूँ। अरे सर बताओ कैसे बरी हूँ।
अच्छा आप उसमें ये जज बन गए, उसमें आप जज बन गए ना?
नहीं सर, जज पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर थी।
Now Faizan Kidwai lowering your fader because Anand Ranganathan also has a right to talk. Yes.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू। इतना सेंसिटिव टॉपिक है ये। देखिए तौसीफ शाह ये मुझ पे गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है? इसलिए आ रहा है क्योंकि इनको लगता है कि शायद मैंने इनकी शक्ल पहचान ली है। हो सकता है ये वही हो जो याकूब मेमन के फ्यूनरल में हो। ये वो तो नहीं, इनसे पूछिएगा कि ये बुरहान वानी के फ्यूनरल
Well, we've lost his connection. We've lost his connection. I don't know.
लेकिन शक्ल काफी जानी पहचानी से लगती है। हजारों की तादाद में फ्यूनरल अटेंड करते हैं। प्रॉब्लम वो नहीं है। प्रॉब्लम है कि फैजान भाई ने 10 नाम लिए। ऑफ कोर्स अगर मिस कैरेज ऑफ जस्टिस होता है तो मैं सबके साथ खड़ा हूं, फैजान भाई के साथ भी खड़ा हूं, लेकिन इनकी सिलेक्टिविटी देखिए। अभी मैंने कर्नल पुरोहित का नाम लिया जो 8 साल से बेल डिनाइड था, 10 साल से जेल में सड़े। इनसे पूछा उसका नाम क्यों नहीं इंक्लूड किया? कहने लगे इमीडिएटली जज बन गए। मतलब ये इंसिनुएट करने लगे कि वो जेल में थे तो सही था। ये प्रॉब्लम है आपकी।
I want to bring in Anmol Pawar. Anmol Pawar, my question to you, straight and simple. When there is a terror incident, should we be looking at the investigation or should we be looking at the community angle, the vote bank angle, and the COM angle in the investigations?
Navika ji, good evening. I think investigative agencies are doing their job, but the point is that people across the country are asking that it's been more than 48 hours. It was a massive intelligence and security failure that our national capital, heart of our national capital, was bombed. Despite that, people are seeking answers that how did it happen, how did the explosives reach there, and how did the intelligence agencies failed. Today, at the disposal of BJP is the border security force, is the Delhi police, is the Home Ministry, is the NIA, is the NSA. Despite all the resources, all the agencies at their disposal, this massive intelligence failure took place. And Gaurav Bhatia ji said that Narendra Modi ji jo hai, he will respond very strongly. I want to ask him that why does this government always wake up after the terrorist incident? Secondly, Anand Ranganathan ji ne kaha ki ji bahut sari problem hai, real problem is the enemy inside our country. Anand ji, real problem is the part-time Home Minister and part-time Prime Minister of our country who are busy toppling the government, who are busy campaigning. When Pulwama happened, Prime Minister was busy in photo shoot. When Pahalgam happened, he was busy campaigning. And when Delhi blast took place, he was busy in a cake-cutting ceremony.
Anmol Pawar, the record of the government speaks on this. I have completely run out of time, but Sushant Sareen, 30 seconds, if you can just bust this allegation.
10 seconds.
No, I'm out of time. Sushant.
Praising failure of investigative agency because this incident wasn't worse as per you is unacceptable, Navika ji. 13 innocent lives lost, hundreds of families are affected, and this massive blast took place despite...
Sushant Sareen.
Navika, when the raids were taking place, these same people who are covering fire to the terrorists, including Aam Aadmi Party types, they were saying this is a political raid. You have done these raids because you have an eye to the Bihar poll. One guy got away, okay, and a bomb exploded, whether accidentally or by design, we don't know. That investigation has to be done. Now they are saying intelligence failure.
Sareen ji,
So,
Prime
bhai,
Minister
wake up
Modi
your
ji
brain.
said that
Absolutely, there were statements from the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party saying Delhi pollution, Bihar election,
For the
that is why
response of
this
Prime
was
Minister Narendra
done.
Modi.
Well, Anmol Pawar, get your facts right. Don't jump the gun.
did the
अगर
Prime Minister say-
अगर
did
ये
the Prime Minister
accusation
say
करना था तो
that
पहले
any
वाला
act of
ट्वीट
terror,
नहीं
any
करना
act
था.
of war,
अगर पहले
any
वाला
terror
ट्वीट
attack
कर
will be
दिया
considered
तो
an
आपकी
act of
पॉलिटिक्स
war.
एक्सपोज हो गई.
पाकिस्तान का नाम
Well,
लेने से क्यों
we'll
डर रही है भारतीय जनता पार्टी?
टेरर
Prime
इंसिडेंट
Minister
कह
मोदी
दिया,
पाकिस्तान का नाम
टेरर
लेने से क्यों डर रहे
इंसिडेंट
हैं?
कह दिया, पाकिस्तान
से
कनेक्शन
भाजपा
आई
की
हैव टोल्ड यू,
साठगांठ है।
आई डू नॉट.
भाजपा की पाकिस्तान से साठगांठ है, इसीलिए
my
डिस्पाइट
God.
links surfacing with Jaish-e-Mohammed, they are afraid in
Why you
taking the
get
name of
these
Pakistan.
third-rate, low-life
अनमोल
people?
पवार
That's
थोड़ा सा रिसर्च करके आइए और
नहीं,
बीजेपी
बिल्कुल
एंड
नहीं।
पाकिस्तान हैंड इन हैंड. वेल,
नाम क्यों
आई
नहीं
जस्ट लीव इट टू द व्यूअर्स टू जज. Thank you for all the panelists for joining me on the debate number 1. On the other side,